In this video, I'll show you how to add Google Analytics to Framer. Start by signing into your Google Analytics account and creating a property for your website if you haven't already. Once the property is set up, go to Admin, select Data Streams, and open your website stream. Copy the measurement ID, which starts with G-. Next, sign into Framer and open the project you want to track. Go to Site Settings and find the Analytics section. Paste your Google Analytics measurement ID into the Google Analytics field. After that, save your changes and publish or republish your website. This ensures the tracking code is added to your live site. Now visit your published website and return to Google Analytics. Open the real-time report to confirm that your visit is being tracked. Once everything is working, Google Analytics will begin collecting data about your website visitors, traffic sources, and page views. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add Google Analytics to Framer. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.